cooking and loving for me are one and the same. It is so intimate because you're using all of your senses and your emotions, and when you're cooking for someone, you're really thinking about what's gonna be part of them, not only as fuel, but as memories, as part of their history, as links that connect generations. A tuna steak is something that my husband always orders in a restaurant. During these times, we just can't go out, so I decided to bring his favorite thing into our kitchen because he loves strong flavors clashing together. The sauce is spicy, tangy, savory, sticky. The tuna steak is covered in sesame seeds and then it is quickly seared on toasted sesame and peanut oil, which gives a lot of flavor to the coating of the tuna. It is everything that my husband loves. For my husband and for my boys, I just try to make food that they'll want to have again and again. If I love you, I'm gonna cook for you, I'm gonna overstuff you and overfeed you.